As requested in this video, I'm going to show you the setup if you would like to connect a mixer to Starmaker application from your phone. Starmaker is one of the karaoke application out there. Without further ado, let's get started. And now let me show you the things, cables we will be needing in this setup. Of course, this is the phone I will be using to open the Starmaker application, and this is the mixer I will be using. And now for this cords on here, of course, I will be using an earphone to monitor the audio. You can use the headphone also if you have to. And I will be using this adapter over here. So this is 6.35 millimeter TRS male to 3.5 millimeter female adapter. So I'll be using that. And this lightning adapter, I will be using this one because this phone here doesn't have a headphone port on it, so I always need that. And this cord here, this is just the XLR cord to connect to this mono condenser microphone. And by the way, mono, if you are not aware yet, for those of you, mono does carry different gadgets for your streaming or recording or podcasting or content creator. If you want to purchase a mono product using their official website, I do have a discount code. You will get 10% off on any mono product. So just check out under the description. And here I will be using this one. So this is audio video RCA to 3.5 millimeter TRRS, but I will not be using the video. I'll only be using the red and white. I'll not be using the yellow one. And this one here, I will be using also this one. So this is 3.5 millimeter TRS to RCA. And if you have two of this one, then you're good. And if you have two of this one, you're good also. And you can actually interchange to use them later. And this Y splitter here, I will be using this one. So this is just TRRS to mic and headphone. So again, mic and headphone to TRRS. Now let's start the connections. First, let's connect this lightning adapter. So I'm going to connect the lightning adapter to this phone, and then I will connect the Y splitter. So I'll connect it there. And now I'm going to connect one of this one. Okay, so this is again RCA to 3.5 millimeter jack. So I will connect this one to here, to the one that says 7/8 from this mixer. Simply red to red and white to white. Now the other end, I will connect this one from this splitter that I connected to this phone. I will connect it to the one for headphone. Okay, so this one is for headphone, so I will connect it there. Okay, now I'll connect the other one. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, I will not be using the yellow one. I'll only use this red and white. This time, I will connect this one to here, to the one that says rec out. So same, red to red, white to white. And now the other end of that, I will connect it to this splitter again, but this time I will connect it to the one for microphone. Okay, there you go. So I'm all set for that one. And now I will connect this adapter to here, to the one that says phone, so that I can monitor the audio. And from there, I will connect also this earphone. Okay, so I'll connect it there. And lastly, I will be connecting the condenser microphone. If you have a dynamic microphone, you can use that as well. Okay, so this is very self-explanatory. Connect one in there and connect this other end to the microphone. If you are using a condenser microphone, don't forget to turn on the 48-volt phantom power, otherwise it will not work. As to my settings on this mixer, so I will just going to be setting my gain to 9 o'clock, compressor 9 o'clock. For the high, mid, and low, I'm just going to set them all at the middle. And effects, I'm just going to set this one maybe at 2 o'clock. And then microphone volume is maybe at 10 o'clock. And now, so this one here, the one that I connected to /7/8, which is connected the headphone port of this splitter over here, the volume control of that is over here. So this is the control of the music coming out from this Starmaker application, or the karaoke song coming out from there. So I suggest do not turn this one so high because it will feedback. And the effects from this mixer, so I can use also this one here, or the reverberation, and your main volume for your microphone, as well as the background music coming out from the Starmaker application is from here. And now let me give you a short sample recording a song to the Starmaker application. As you can see, I had opened already my account, and just so you know, I'm not a VIP member, so I will just be using a song from someone else. Okay, so from here, I believe I have saved some song. Okay, I'm just going to use this song over there. Okay, so I will not be singing everything, so I'm just going to be doing a part of this song. Okay, there you go. So as you are aware, you can use some of the filters over here, like you can use those ones there if you want, or that one, and then this one here you can use also, so whatever you like, for those of you who are not familiar with this one, so you can use something like that. Okay, maybe I will not I will not select those ones. And by the way, what I will be doing is that whatever is the audio output from this recording on this Starmaker application, I will be syncing or combining the audio from here to the video from the other camera that I'm using right now, so that while I am doing a sample, you can hear the actual output right away. Once you hit start over here, so this is once you start over here, there should be some options. So this one here, I suggest do not select one of those ones over there, because once you turn on this mixer, the feedback is really awful. So again, if you before you start, make sure to select this one to none. Okay, so okay, so maybe I'm going to pause it for now, and I'm going to turn on now this mixer. And as you notice over here, I only set the background music volume to, I think, 9 o'clock. And from here, you can also select your volume. So there should be that one. So it's up to you if you want to increase the volume of your music and then lower the volume of your voice, or vice versa. So it's up to you. And now from here, what you will do is just maybe test it out, your preferred vocals. Just use the reverberation from this mixer. I think I'm all set. Okay, I'm gonna start now over here. I'm just gonna redo it. Okay, so again, to increase the volume, you can also increase the volume from your phone. So something like that. But if you notice that there is still feedback, then lower it. And increase it from here also. So give it a try, something like that.
A long and lasting love, not many people find it. But those who do, their whole life through, put their hearts and soul behind it. A long and lasting love.
I'm gonna stop this one from here. I'm gonna maybe quit early. Okay, so from here, it's very simple. If this is your first time to post it, so you can, of course, type in there whatever you want. So I'm just gonna say testing. Okay, so I'm just gonna say testing over there, and by the way, from here you can still adjust the volume. Let's say you want your music, so before you even post it, you can still adjust your music if you want it louder, and then your voice if you want it lower or louder. Because once you post it, I don't think you can still adjust it. So make sure to adjust it from here before you even post it. Now, if you're ready to post it, then of course just hit post. Okay, there you go. So now it's done. It's now posted to your account. So pretty much I'm just going to go to me, and then I'll have to go down here, and I'm going to go to covers, and it should be right there. Okay, there you go. So that's actually how simple it is to do it. And there you go. That is all I can share for today. I hope this video gives you an idea if you want to connect a mixer to your Starmaker recording on your phone or devices. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you like this type of video, please give it a like, and if you want more of this type of video, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet, and hit the notification bell so you are always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.